Alright, what's going on mga boys? Welcome back sa channel ko. Ngayon, isang unboxing episode na naman ang ating papanoorin at susubaybayan. So, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Sampitz, the hobby barber. So, this is the box. This is the package. So, but this time, this is from Amazon, not from AliExpress. But before that, let's make a commercial. Package from Amazon. I'm going to unbox this and I'm going to show you the quick unboxing of this DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Okay, so before we continue, I want to share with you guys what I've ordered from AliExpress. This is ceramic blade for Wahl Detailer. So this is this blade. This comes with the box. Okay. So this is the ceramic blade. Okay. If you want to purchase these products or everything that I posted here on YouTube, so just look for the description below there where you can directly order this product. So you can sign up as AliExpress and buy these products through these links. So, gusto ko rin pakita sa inyo mga boys, I ordered 2 pomade from Roydsel. So this is premium pomades. So one is water soluble and one is, I think this is oil based. Okay. So I have another update for you guys mga boys. This is my new Surker 551. As you can see here, I already have my Surker. This comes with a crook blade with a shitty bracket. So I write to the seller, I make a complaint, and they ask me if I want a refund or a new item. But I like the clipper, so I want a new item. I don't want a refund. I'd rather choose new item. So they sent me another one. So this time the clipper comes with the blade cup. So again, YouTube, this is not all metal body, because I've read lots of reviews on AliExpress. They make complaint because on the description they claim to be a metal body, but this is not a metal body. Okay, so this is the old one. I put ceramic plate here, modify the bracket here, and another modification is the lever, because I broke the lever because of this shitty bracket. So I replaced the lever, but I get the replacement. So it is the same clipper, but I will show you something. So let's make a sound check of the old Surker. Okay. So on camera, you can barely see the movement of the blade. So it means it's slow. It runs very slow. It's another complaint because they claim to be 8 watts motor or 8 watts clipper, but this is very slow. And this is the new one, and look at this. So you cannot see the movement of the blade anymore. So this is more powerful and even faster. So this is now a very good clipper. So thanks to the seller, they sent me new one. So yun nga mga boys, yun yung kagandahan sa AliExpress. Kapag umorder ako, pag may sira, susulatan mo lang yung yung seller, pwede ka na mag-refund, or pwede kang or papadalahan ka ng panibagong item. So hindi ko lang alam mga boys, depende yan sa lugar nyo, pero yun yung batas dito sa Europe. So kapag may reklamo yung customer, it's either money back or new item. So this is the main event. This is the unboxing video. So I have here the DJI Osmo Mobile Drive, and let's unbox this. I've been vlogging already for 2 years, but I never had a stabilizer or gimbal to use on my vlogs. But now I have the DJI Osmo Mobile. Alright. So I don't have links for this, but I get this only for 77 euros on Amazon. So this is I think 1 day sale. So I get one for my vlogs. So this is the box. So meron siyang mga apps guys na gagamitin, so from Google Play or Apple Store. Ayan. So pwede siya ano. So it has 2-year warranty. So this is the charging cable. This is USB Type C. We have these stickers and the pouch. So wala siyang kasamang box. So you have to buy extra box for your DJI Osmo Mobile. This only comes with a pouch bag with a logo Osmo DJI.
So original naman.
So alright. So this is the DJI Osmo Mobile. So yun mga boys. Ito yung ano yung DJI Osmo, napaka-compact niya. Talagang ano lang pang maliit lang talaga, pero DJI is DJI. So this is the Series 3 or Mobile 3. So upgraded na yung mga versions nito, or upgraded na yung mga firmware at saka yung mga functions nito. So I don't know what are the main function of this, pero nandito yung ano niya. I don't know what's this. You're panning or zooming. Actually this is the zoom button. Ito pa yung hindi ko alam. So focus siguro. Then record button. You have the power button here. And you have USB port again. Maybe for charging. I don't know. Hindi ko pa nababasa yung user's manual. Pero try na natin munang buksan. So again, basahin muna natin yung user's manual. Pero this one comes with 3.5mm siguro. Standard for tripods. So pwede natin ilagay sa tripod to. So gagamitin natin to sa pagbablog. So meron siyang tracking na function, so pwede natin gamitin yan sa pagbablog. So habang umiikot yung upuan natin, so pwede niya matrack yung yung mukha o yung ulo nung i-focus lang natin sa ulo, and habang gumagalaw yung upuan, susunod yung camera. So yun yung naisip kong parang mas maganda para hindi nawawala sa focus yung natin, yung ginugupitan natin or yung subject natin sa ginugupitan. So basahin ko muna yung manual kung paano ito gagamitin, then balikan ko kayo mga boys. So yun nga mga boys, naka-gimbal tayo ngayon. So ginagamit natin ngayon yung aking DJI Osmo Mobile. So kung makita nyo, ayan. So sobrang smooth ng pagkakagalaw natin. So hindi pa natin masyadong kabisado to, pero magagamay din natin. So ito yung gagamitin natin pag nagbablog tayo. Ayan. So pwede natin So pwede natin ilaki yung mukha natin. Pag nilaki yan. Okay. Then kahit saan ako pumunta, susundan ako ng camera yan. So kahit pag pinatong ko lang yung sa taas. So pag gumalaw ako, susunod yung camera kasi nakalock na yung face recognition. Kumbaga parang face track. Ayan. So pag gumagalaw ako, ayan. So gagamitin natin yan sa pagbablog para pag ikot yung ginugupitan natin, susunod yung camera. So, di ba? Mas okay na yan. So para hindi na tayo adjust ng camera. So yun na yung ano natin. Yun yung purpose nito. So syempre pag lumabas tayo, ganoon na rin, kasama na rin yung kapag travel vlog. So yun ang mga quiz, ito yung yung binasa na natin yung user's manual, tinignan natin sa internet. So kailangan nating iangat to para buksan. Okay. So once angatan natin yan, mag-fairly move na yung gimbal natin. Then ilalagay natin yung mobile phone natin dito. Then ibabalance natin manually yung mobile phone. So kung wari ito yung mobile phone, so kailangan i-balance natin siya. So kapag naka-balance na siya, hindi na siya bumabagsak na gano'n. Then okay na yung settings niya. Then balik na rin natin, punta tayo sa likod. So pagkatapos ng yung set natin yung landscape, then iaano naman natin yung portrait mode, babalik na rin natin yung gimbal, then ibabalance ulit natin siya. So ito na mga quiz yung gimbal natin. So power button, so 3 seconds, then mag-ano na siya. Once na on nyo na yan, so kung wari mayroon ng mobile phone dyan, so pwede nating gamitin yung ating stabilizer. So meron siyang panning. So napapan yung niya. So wala tayong nakalagay na camera, then meron siyang zoom. Ayan. So yung record button at saka ayan, meron tayong trigger dito para sa mga iba pang mga settings. So yung mga quiz, so papakita natin yung mga konting samples kapag nagamit na natin ito. So thank you for watching. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung episode na to. At yung mga updates na pinakita ko, sana nakatulong sa inyo. At kung bago ka sa channel ko, please do subscribe to my channel. At huwag na rin kalimutan i-check yung notification bell para ma-inform ka sa mga susunod kong video. So, Sampitz the Hobby Barber, signing out.
Twide.
Here I am where the movie started.